Hello, dear friend. It's see you again here. Yeah, I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Yeah. Today I want to share you some of our product. Please follow me if you are interested about our product. If you like me, please follow me. Let's see this kind of control valve. Okay. We pack it with a VCI anti-rust bags, and in this part there had a label on it. On the first line of the label is a Shumatt logos. Yeah, if you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us because we supply you this kind of customized services, and we can print with your logo, the labels, and the packaging bags, and so on. Yes. Okay, on this part is a product code F00RJ02012. And the application injector model number is 0445120116, and 0445120135, and 0445120168, and on the one side is a QR code. You can use your phone to scan it. Other information is on the label. Okay, I saw it's time to open it to see the inside part. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, my friend. You can see we have two types of our packaging bottles, right? It can be better protect the product during the transportation. Let's open it to see the inside. We package it with the oil paper. This is the whole side of our valve assembly. Actually, we're not only sealing the whole side, but also sealing separate part. The separate part you can see like this one, and separate part is like with the coating and also with the curved letters on it. And this is the valve roll. For valve roll, we have different sizes, we have different lengths. Yeah. If you have the other sizes demands, you can contact us. Okay, so much for today's product details. Actually, we have many models of our product. If you are not familiar with the models, send us the product code. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About the product, we have a few tips I want to share with you. The first tip is, if you want to clean it, use the oil to clean it. Yes. The second tip is, if you want to install it, and make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after the inject bodies. Yes, and make sure the valve cap in the right positions. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Actually, about our product, we had the 6-month warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us and we can return it to you and exchange your product for you. And except that, we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, pumps, the parts for the pumps, and including the control valve we are showing today. Yes, any items if you are interested, please follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Love you guys. Bye bye.